Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the read-only problem in Excel. So let's get started. When an Excel file opens in read-only mode, it means you can view the file but not make any changes. The most common reason for read-only mode is file permissions. Check the file properties to see if the file is marked as read-only or if you lack the necessary permissions to edit it. Select the file, right-click on it, now select Properties. And here you see it's in the read-only mode. Uncheck it. Now try reopening the file to see if it opens in edit mode rather than read-only mode. Now you can make changes. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.